Step 4, big waves, Joe's steeple. Step 4, big waves, Joe's steeple. I'm going to explain the model in a moment. I'm going to go through the instructions. The thing for you to bear in mind is that these are big waves that are unavoidable. They're not really things that you can do much about, but you want to understand what they are. The name STEEPLE is an acronym. In other words, the actual letters of STEEPLE represent the different elements of the analysis that we're doing. All right, so let's go into it. If you look at the top left-hand side of the page, I start with social, and it goes across technology, economy, environment, politics, legal, and ecology. These are the 7 areas that I've chosen to analyze. In the MBA world, this might have been called PEST, it might have been called PESTLE, it might have been called the big picture. I know that some consultants use the phrase the big picture. What we're looking for are the big waves that are unavoidable in terms of the business that we want to either launch or modify. So in social, it could be on the left, it could be housing, discrimination, health. You can choose where you put your words. Don't be concerned about where to put them. Just make sure you note them. It might be technology. The big waves might be in AI, biotech, or the mobile economy. In the economy itself, it might be about gross domestic product, recession, interest rates, industrial strategy. In the environment itself, it could be about air quality, water, pollution, war, opportunity. In the political market, it might be about whether you're selling into a democracy, a theocracy, a dictatorship, and in the legal aspects of the economy, it could be about the country's constitution, the courts, tax laws. I don't know what the big waves are. And then ecology is the study of the relationships among living organizations, including humans and their physical environment. So what you're going to be looking for here, just to get you started, is to note down 3 in each section. Here are the instructions. Thinking about the world, the continent, the nation state, the locality, the gender, the racial group, the religious tradition, whatever your interest, name the big unavoidable waves and consider how they may affect career, business, wealth building, opportunities for you, for your family, and for larger society. This is big picture. So tease it out. Some items may cross over the different categories. It doesn't matter. And then when you've got that, when you've got your 21 items, reduce the list in each section. Reduce the list in each section to 3 in number. Avoid minor influences. And then finally, reduce the entire list to 3 big waves. Which are the 3 big waves that are going to affect your business? Now, why reduce it? Strategy is about making decisions. You can't address everything. We are looking for something that is unique, not best in every category. Best in every category won't work. We're looking for something unique, and it starts here.